speeding up. Who's going to want to
Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to Off the Couch. My name's Daryl.
Who's got it?
Today I brought you guys to the Whangarei AMP show. There's quite a lot to see and do here. I forgot half of my gear. I forgot my ND filters.
Here we go.
Forgot my brain. I think it's somewhere back in Auckland. But I'll spin you around and we'll check it out. Okay, so we got all sorts happening here. Got all of your stalls, bags, food, copyright music, all sorts happening. Blacksmiths, everything you can imagine. Check out these guys. What are they doing? It was all yellow. Yes, all yellow. So I remember years ago, my parents, used to bring me and my brother and my sister to something like this, but down at the Kimi Showgrounds. And it was like a yearly thing, and it was really awesome. And eventually what happened is over the years, it just got more and more expensive. Then we got older and we grew out of it and just found it boring and that sort of thing. But if you happen to be in New Zealand around the timing of like AMP shows and the Kimi show and you know, all that sort of thing, then come and have a look and check it out. So it's a great place to meet people. It's a really good place to get to know about how we live in a country like New Zealand, what we're all about. Because this is an AMP show, there's lots of farmy stuff here, I guess. We're bound to see some animals as well. He's got more skills than me, that's for sure. I probably wouldn't even know how to turn the chainsaw on. A little secret you might not know about me is when I was about 18 or 20. So I used to ride horses, and not to pull my chain, but I was really good at it. I used to ride bareback a lot. I didn't worry about the saddle or anything like that. I'd gallop everywhere. And now as I've gotten older and more wrinkly, I find that they scare me. I mean, one kick from a horse and you're dead. I don't know, they're so big, they stink. And I think it was just one of those young phases I went through. Oh, this takes me back. Am I this old? Or was this made before I was born? I'm 49, is this 50 years old? Yeah, other sorts, a mini bulldozer. Mini bulldozer. Hey, buddy. Hey, I didn't know bulldozers could get that small. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, wow. That carpet reminds me of my Nana's lounge. Pretty nice. So we got lots more to see. We've only just scratched the surface. I'm really trying to avoid music because YouTube just slams you with copyright, and you got to cut out a lot of your video. If you're starting a YouTube channel, here's the secret: film really long videos, especially if you're around music, and don't film Indian events because Bollywood slams you hard with copyright. I learnt that from the Diwali festival. Still love Indians, by the way. I'm not racist.
Because of the accessibility. Yeah, I'm a little bit.
I also just realised I forgot the sunscreen. A lot of people don't know the sun goes behind the clouds and they think you're safe. That's actually when it's at its worst, because it fools you into thinking, I'll be right, there's no sun, but it's still there. Do you remember the scouts were they here today? Turns out they're digging for something. So I've found the animal tent. I see some sheep. Angora goats. Just stinks. Is this good content? This is great content. Quick one. If you are enjoying this content and you'd like to support the channel, please check out the link in the description below to my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can support me there either as a one-off or ongoing. Sorry, I'm puffed. You can also support me through super thanks and stickers as well. I don't know how that all works, but it's all down there on the thing for you to look at. Back to the video. Thanks.
Are you here with your mum? Oh, hi.
Hey. Oh, cute.
It might be best to go that way.
What a life, eh? Lounging around all day, waiting to be eaten. We found the alpaca. Oh, we found the alpaca. There on, buddy. No. Snob. I think he's just over it. It's too hot, probably. I love ducks. How you going, guys? Man, he's huge. I was going to say he's a bit of a cock. He's a bit of a chicken instead. What's worse? So as well as all of the events, you got people lounging around, just chilling out. Baby crying, mum's had enough. Finding shade wherever there is. Yeah. So I want to get away from that crying baby. So the thing is here, it's about 29 degrees, the woman was saying. It's the beginning of summer and it is freaking hot. It's really muggy. Do you enjoy that? It's really hot, it's muggy. Oh, that looks like fun. So for those of you that don't know, I have a class 2 and 4 truck license. And I have just spotted this. Look at that. That's awesome. So there's plenty more here to see. There's sheep shearing down here. I just don't know how close I can get to the stage. Maybe I can slip down the side.
7 seconds behind for Dane. Already Henderson, he's got the belly off. Into the underline he goes. Big sweeping blow up the back, steps up the neck. These guys are just warming up, ladies and gentlemen. If they happen to make the final, you'll see these sheep going in at about 35-40 seconds in the final. So they're just sharing it, what we would call qualifying speed. Doing a good job, make sure they can make the next round. Dane Phillips, around the back of the head, he goes on sheep number 2.
Ooh, he's quick.
Turning for the last side already. Looks like he's doing a good, solid job there. Down over the last front shoulder he comes. Cleans under the leg. Up the back leg goes Henderson. Phillips down over the last front shoulder.
Wow, they look a lot bigger with wool on, don't they? Down he
1
goes.
minute and 59 seconds gone for Henderson on his second
quick,
sheep.
man.
Onto his third now. Phillips not too far behind.
Man, those sheep are pretty quick, aren't they?
Henderson down into the long road.
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
Sweeping
I see
around the
diggers and
back
stuff
of the
down
edge,
here. I'm
turn
guessing
the
they're going to
last
do
right,
demonstrations or
keep
something.
down over the last one, shoulder,
Thing is, you get there and you're in the middle of things, like, and they just take so long setting up. And then, like the dogs, you just sort of walk off and go, ah, stuff, it's too hot. Haven't got the patience. But we'll have a look and see what they're doing. They're diggers. So there's not really much to see here. Just looks like a standard work job in Auckland. So you got all sorts here, guys. Pizzas, vegetarian. European street food.
Look at that.
Choc and berry. I'm thinking I might buy myself an ice block, a cold drink or something. Real fruit ice cream. That's the line from there all the way to there. Can I even be bothered? So it was too hot to wait in that long line. I'll look around and I'll find something else. I'm feeling quite knackered. And there it is. Mr. Whippy. Mr. Whippy to save the day. So I didn't end up getting a Frosty Boy or a ice block. I ended up getting a good old classic Coke. The Rodney's back the front. It's Coke for the win. That's me. I'm knackered. I've got 2 more videos to film for my silent looking channel and my slow motion channel. I'll leave those links down below. And it's so hot. Thanks. I'll see you guys soon. Oh,